Hi, I'm Margaret, and I've got a lovely traditional British pudding for you today. It uses simple ingredients, which may well already be in your cupboard at home. Easy to make and delicious to have after a meal. It's bread and butter pudding. Now I find this 50-50 bread works really well, and I like it best when there's no crusts on the bread. You still get crunchy edges and nice and brown and golden on top. You can use many different kinds of bread for this dish. Sliced croissants or a nice bit of sliced brioche works well. The amount of bread that you need will vary depending on what dish you use. I've buttered about 10 slices here. My dish is a 2-litre dish and it's quite shallow. Once you've cut the bread and butter into more interesting shapes, you can start to lay them out in the bowl. Bread and butter pudding is all about layering. Bit of bread, bit of cinnamon, a few raisins, and that lovely demerara sugar on top. Then keep layering until you get to the top of the dish. Now for the custard, which holds the dish together with that lovely creaminess. You'll need to warm the milk and the cream together. I like to use a pan for this because you can keep a better eye on the temperature. Make sure it doesn't get too hot. And when you pour it into the eggs, pour a little bit to start with and keep whisking. Otherwise, you'll end up with scrambled eggs. And we don't want that. We like a nice, smooth, creamy custard. And to make it even smoother, I'm going to sieve this mixture. Oops. Nearly got away without spilling anything. When you pour it in, make sure you do it nice and gently and soak every piece of bread. Then let it sit for about an hour so it can soak up all that lovely custard. And before you put it in the oven, sprinkle on a little bit more demerara sugar and a few small dots of butter. That'll make it nice and brown. There we go, beautifully crisp and golden on top, and lovely and soft in the middle. We like it on top of a bowl of hot custard. Oh, delicious. Well, that's it from me for this week. I'm off to put my feet up. Thank you for watching this recipe. I do hope you've enjoyed it. Have a good one. Catch you next week.